In a previous class, we learned that it's permitted to use fish in meat utensils, even if the meat was cooked in that utensil within 24 hours. Such a thing is not forbidden. Today we're going to learn some instances that it would be forbidden. One example would be if the fish is a spicy fish. If you're using a hot spicy fish, then you can't use meat utensils even if they're very clean. The reason is because whenever you have something that's spicy, it takes out the flavor, the taste that's inside the utensil and absorbs it into the food. And therefore in this fish, for instance, the meat will come out from the utensil, from the pot, let's say, into the fish, and that should be avoided. Even if the pot was not used within 24 hours, one should not use such a thing because of the reason we just explained. It sweetens the flavor inside the meat utensil, the spice sweetens it and takes it out and puts it into the fish. Another examples of something that should be avoided is baking, let's say, meat and fish in the same oven at the same time, because it gives steams, ze'ah, one to the other. There's also smell to it, reach, that one gives the other, and that should be avoided. Not only that, also barbecue together when the barbecue is closed, or any other thing that could give steam one to the other. Another example that one should be careful is that if you had a pot, let's say, cooking meat and fish fell inside, or if you put there fish by mistake, so then not only that the meat becomes forbidden, but also the utensil, the pot itself. And there are opinions about this. The Birkei Yosef says that it needs a gala. According to the Kaf HaChaim, it's sufficient to wait 24 hours, clean it, and use it. These are examples that one needs to pay attention when we're using meat and fish, since meat and fish in halakha, it's considered something that's mesukan, sakana, dangerous, and one should avoid those things.